Allison.
Where's the baby? Darius!
Okay, don't yell so loud, hon. Daddy's trying to sleep.
Where's the baby? Darius! 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 Where's the... Where's the baby? Darius! Where's the baby? Darius!
Not quite so loud, love.
Darius! Where's the baby? Darius! Where's the baby? Darius! Where's the baby? Darius! Where's the baby? Darius!
Hey,
Where's the baby? Darius!
Lexi, that's kind of loud, hon.
Where's the baby? Darius! I'm making Tyson laugh. He's so funny. Where's the baby? Darius! 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 Where's the baby? Darius!
Mason, what are you doing?
Where's the baby? Darius!
All right, let's all go to bed.
No.
That was fun.
Where's the baby? Darius! Where's the baby? Darius! Where's the baby? Darius!
What is it, Mason?
What is it, Mason?
Stop! Stop! Oh no, my bar's on! Stop! Oh, I thought it was squishing it. No, Dad!
Dad, can you help Lexi open that?
Let me see your wand.
What is it, Mace?
Oh,
What'd you get, Lexi?
Need help?
Oh, and another Barbie. And another.
What? Let me see them. What are they?
This is Gentleman. And this is the one that I really want.
Who is it?
Belle
Oh.
and Pocahontas
Wow, cool.
with a brush.
Okay. What's that?
Barbie dresses.
Oh, wow, cool.
Happy.
You have Percy? Is that what Lexi and Tyson gave you last night? Oh, that was nice. You can put it on your choo-choo train track. Oh, how much fun. Okay, I'm gonna go get a garbage can. I'll be right back.